Iya, berarti kita bener yang kanan ya.
Same to you. Make sure everything.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye.
Suk. Bye, em guys.
Let's go.
Bye guys.
Oh, yung pala.
Kan biar kan biar
deso.
enggak. Kan mancing coba.
Yes,
go away.
We go there. Hi, good morning,
Boss.
boss. Good morning. How are you today?
Emma ya.
This is my naughty girl, Emma. Hi. Emma.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Very nice.
You can use your finger to hold the brake. Don't use your foot to stop the bike. Okay? It cannot help because while you're using the accelerator and then you stop like that, cannot stop. Okay? So you need to hold your brake. No matter what happened, okay? Don't bring down your foot. Understand?
Got it.
Okay. Now we start the bike. Turn right and then left is same. Almost same. You will try. You try. Okay, and then the other one is the brake. These two is brake. Right hand is a front brake. Left hand is a back brake. Okay, but later you can use both. Okay, and then the speed or throttle is you can use your right thumb under on your right handle. That one is a throttle or gas. Speed. Okay, speed. Now, if you want more faster, you need to push more. Okay. If you want to go North District Hospital, you can push more. Okay.
Hey, hi. What can you say about riding, darling? Hello. She has the new roadway. The pink one, girl. Okay, slowly. Okay. It's okay. Come on down. Okay, always close your legs. Hello. Enjoy? Control. Be a good group because you will go higher, you know? You will go higher later if you are good. Super fun. You can go. Okay, come. You can use that way, darling. You can use. Say hi.
I'm so fun.
Hello, pink girl.
Okay, come go there.
Where? Yeah, you go there. You can go. As long as you will not stuck, it's okay. Slowly, control, control. Don't press it. Okay. What happened to you? Huh? You're struggling? Come on, Emma. Come on, Emma. I really like Emma. Emma for the day. Go, Emma. 2 fingers, Emma. Where's your 2 fingers, Emma? This is the position that I really love. Okay. Position. Your finger. Here, come out. Yeah, 2 fingers. Okay, go. Oh. Okay, slowly to press it, Emma. Okay, go. Woo! Sexy girl. Wow. Pink girl, hello. Oh, ano, struggling ka na naman. Ano? Kaya pa, laban pa. Go, girl. Slowly, hold your brake. Don't press, don't press. Okay, very good. Where's your 2 fingers, darling? Your 1 finger, huh? You're doing one very good. So pretty. Are you okay, darling?
Yes, I'm so
Yeah, there's no fingers at all. 2 fingers, where is it? Okay. On both sides, oh, diba? Together. Control. Don't press too much, Emma. Okay, good. Hold the brake, Emma. Okay, good. Woo. Keep going, Emma, slowly. Up, straight, straight. Up. Hold your brake, darling. Okay, go.